Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Kanye West was spotted wearing his new campaign gear during a visit to a church in Los Angeles. The rapper, who also goes to YE, recently announced to run for US President in 2024 despite facing several scandals over his recent anti-Semitic controversy. The praise God rapper stepped out wearing a jacket branded with YE24 as he prepares to run for office. The red, white and black jacket and the shoes were emblazoned with the slogan in a bold text. West was clicked, leaving Messianic Church in his signature cap as he smiled to the cameras while getting in his car. West, who split from ex-wife Kim Kardashian last year, announced his presidential campaign earlier this month. He made the announcement while sharing that far-right commentator Milo Yiannopoulos is his new campaign manager. The rapper later released a series of promotional videos for his 2024 campaign, having already asked Donald Trump to be his running mate. Thanks for listening and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.